In this video, we'll be talking about some more integration rules. Press pause to write these in your notes. When you're ready to continue, press play. Our first example that we'll be doing is to find the integral of 2 sine x plus cosine x dx. Now the first thing we can do, since this is two separate terms, we can take the integral of each term separately. And for this first term, we can pull the 2 out in front of the integral sign. So when we rewrite this, we can write 2 times the integral sine x dx plus the integral of cosine x dx. Now this first term, the integral of sine, we can see from this rule, is a negative cosine x. So this will be 2 times a negative cosine x plus, and then the integral of cosine x is sine x. So plus sine x, and then plus our constant. Now you may be wondering about, should I put plus a constant on this term and then also plus a constant on this one? But our two constants in the two separate terms can be combined to give me an arbitrary constant. So we don't need to write two separate c's on our problem. Our final simplifying of this is to bring this negative out in front. So we have negative 2 cosine x plus sine x plus constant. Let's do another example. Now we don't have a product rule per se like we did in differentiation. So all we have are the rules that we've learned so far. So don't make up rules. Don't try to get creative. What we want to do on this problem is distribute our cosecant x through the parentheses and then look to see if we have rules for integrating the new expression. So this one will be integral of cosecant x times cotangent x minus, and then I'm going to go ahead and split it into two integrals, the integral of cosecant x times cosecant x, and that's going to be cosecant squared x. And the integral of cosecant x cotangent x is a negative cosecant x and then we have minus, and then we want the integral of cosecant squared x, which we can see is a negative cotangent x, and then we have plus our constant. So this simplifies to a negative cosecant x plus cotangent x plus our constant. Now let's do one more. You'll need to look at your notes to see the rules because I need to push my paper up. Again, we don't have a quotient rule when we're integrating, so we need to simplify this expression to see if we do have a rule that will apply. So I'm going to write this as sine x over cosine x And then my other cosine x in the denominator I'll put in a separate factor. So sine x over cosine x we know is tangent. So I'm doing the integral of tangent x. And it's multiplying, so I don't separate the integral. Okay? I have to do the integral of tangent times, and then this factor simplifies to secant x, since those are reciprocals. So now I check my rules to see if there's a one for the integral of tangent x secant x, and I see that the integral of secant tangent is an secant x plus a constant. So this is going to equal secant x plus a constant.